Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making Imo Yokan. The Japanese Imo Yokan is a traditional dessert made from sweet potato. And we have a lot of sweet potatoes in autumn and we have so many recipes to enjoy. And this is the simplest and the most delicious recipe. Let's get started. Wash sweet potatoes and peel the skin thickly. It will create a smooth texture because the fibers run just underneath the skin. So by removing the fibers, it's going to create a smooth and melt-in-your-mouth texture. Cut them into evenly sized chunks. Releasing water to remove the excess starch. This is optional, but if you can access to the gardenia fruits, the dried gardenia fruits, put it in a tea bag and smash it with the rolling pin. Gardenia fruit is a traditional ingredient to color the sweet potato in Japan. Add enough water to cover the sweet potato chunks and gardenia fruit in a pot. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the sweet potatoes are soft and can be easily pierced with a skewer. Usually it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Put the cooked sweet potato in a food processor while they are still hot. Scrape down the sides occasionally to make a smooth paste. In a frying pan, combine the agar-agar powder and the water. Cook on medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Stir constantly until the agar-agar is completely dissolved. Add sugar and salt and dissolve. Add sweet potato paste to the agar-agar mixture. Whisk well to combine. Stir constantly until it makes a smooth paste. Pass through a sieve if you want to make it extra smooth. I don't usually do that, but today I am shooting a video, so I will make it prettier. Moisten your mold or container with water to prevent sticking. This will make removing the Imo Yokan easier once it has been set. Pour the sweet potato mixture into the mold and even out the surface. Let the Imo Yokan cool at room temperature for a while, then transfer it to a refrigerator to set for about a few hours. Once the Imo Yokan has set, gently remove it from the mold and press it upside down. Slice the Imo Yokan into small rectangles and serve. It has a nice melt-in-your-mouth texture and full of natural sweetness. Enjoy the taste of autumn. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!